Jimdo is an easy-to-use website builder that allows users to create professional websites without needing technical skills. With Jimdo, you can design and launch websites using pre-built templates or customize them with its drag-and-drop editor. It offers a variety of tools, including e-commerce functionality, SEO features, and mobile optimization, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. For bloggers, Jimdo provides a simple platform to create a personal or niche blog. Bloggers can easily organize posts, add multimedia content like images and videos, and optimize their site for search engines. Jimdo also offers built-in analytics to track visitor data, helping bloggers understand their audience and improve content strategy. With customizable features and responsive templates, Jimdo is ideal for those who want to focus on content creation without worrying about complex website design or coding. And today, we're going to take a look at a short tutorial on how to sign up for Jimdo. There is a free and a paid option. If you are serious about your project, I recommend signing up for their membership, where you will get technical support. The free part of Jimdo has few design settings and will not be indexed for Google. So, it's best to sign up for Jimdo. I'll leave you a link in the description and in the comment. Okay, let's open an account on Jimdo. The easiest thing to do is to go to Login. We scroll down and click on Sign Up. Okay, then we fill in an email and a password. They'll send us an email to confirm our Jimdo registration. This is the same for any website you want to sign up for. Jimdo will ask us a few questions about what we want our new website to look like. Here we choose that we want a website that doesn't have code so that it's easy for us to edit. It asks us, who are you creating a website for? Answer whatever you want to answer. What is your website for? Write the name of your project. What are the goals of your website? I will select to promote my content and share my portfolio. What's your website about? Choose the main colors of your website. Choose the type of pages you are going to have on your website, although this option can be skipped and you can remove or add more pages. I'm going to put something, but I'll modify it later. We are almost finished. The only thing left to choose is the main page of the website. I'm going to choose the right option. If you like SEO and want to increase your rankings in the Google search engine, join our Prolynken community for free link exchanges between other bloggers and people who like SEO. Jimdo gives you the option to buy the domain with them. You can buy it later if you want to make it a clean domain without the jimdo.com name. Also, here it's time to decide whether to sign up for their annual membership with them. For about $5 a month, you can sign up with them. I'm going to show you what Jimdo's website looks like from the inside. I'll choose the free option for now. It's very limited in terms of design, but later you can sign up for $5 or $8 with more benefits per month. We are already inside Jimdo. Now we have to put our text, the text we want. You have options to add pages and edit texts. We add, for example, a block with text, and some backlink too. Jimdo's code works with blocks. It's very easy. We only have to add or remove the blocks we don't want. You can change the background color of the website, although the free version is very limited. If you see that this free version of Jimdo is not enough for you, you can go to Upgrade to sign up for membership. This is the best option as the free version of Jimdo is not optimal if you want your customers to find you on Google, as your website will not be indexed in Google's search engine. Before publishing the website, you can see how it would look like, and if you like it, click the Publish button. In short, Jimdo gives you the option to have an attractive and functional website for your business. You don't need any programming, and it's very easy to add content. This has been a small example of editing in Jimdo. I invite you to go deeper and explore yourself the options that this web tool gives you. And last but not least, I would like to remind you that you can register for free in our social network at Prolynken. On Prolynken.com, you can exchange backlinks with other bloggers and webmasters. There are many link categories to find a partner and exchange links. Watch more videos on our Prolynken channel. Best regards and goodbye.